Got one. Another one. I'm sorry. I'm just really good at fishing. These are some fat ones too. Got one. Little brim. Not too little. Maybe Dustin got another one. I'm too real, bro. That's a pretty looking brim too. That's some type of something. It's something that's got lines on it. I don't know. It's like yellow. And a plant. What are you talking about, dude? That green line? What are you doing? Here's the worms. Ain't no more worms left, is there? There's one more for you. No, we ain't going in. Hey, don't forget anything, alright? They're gonna use those livers. And I'm gonna start walking. Got another one. Alright, well, catfishing has been a total fail. But we've caught a few, well, I've caught a few brim. Dustin hasn't caught anything on some little stuff like this right here. I actually had I caught a brim on a freaking chicken liver. Swiped at it or something and got hooked right in the face. There you go, bro. Dustin finally caught him one. It's a real pretty one. Here, hold that thing up. Dustin, how's it feel to catch your first fish? Caught him right over there off that brush. How you feel? Feel good? He was like, man, this water's too clear to be using black. I was like, no, it's not. How's it feel, dude? To be fishing with a champion. Hold that thing up. Hold it up. Hurry up. Huh. You suck. Did you do it on purpose? Alright, you guys. Well, I freaking hate myself right now because I casted out really far in that deep water over there. And about as soon as it hit the water, I had something biting it. Set the hook like a girl, and it jumped, and it flew off. The only good thing about it is that the GoPro wasn't on, because if I would have caught it and didn't have the GoPro on, I would have been more upset than I am now. So I'm going to rig up this rod, and try to have 2 rods out, increase the chances of catching one now. Yeah, I think I do. Please be a catfish. If it's a blackfish, I'm gonna be upset. Oh, it's a cat. It's something big, I don't know. It looked big. If it's a cat, it's a nice one. If it's a cat, it's a nice one. Yeah, if it's a cat, we're hype. If it's a blackfish, I don't care. What is it? No, it's not. No, it's not. It's the biggest one we've caught, though. This thing's a pig, though. Yeah. Dang, that's what bit earlier. I know it is. Without a doubt in my mind. Dude, I'm gonna weigh this thing just to do it. Jeez. Come here. No. He's cutting my hand. Dustin, come here. Dustin, Dustin, Dustin. Come here. Yeah, come here. Stop. Shoot, he just broke my line. Hey, I still caught him though. The things you do for fishing. Oh, I missed one. People said there was a lot of creek bass in here. I ain't seen none, have you? I said we've seen one bass. Got one. These are all some nice brim. Dustin just caught a slab, jeez. Bring that thing over the camera and don't drop it, dude. Holy crap, that's a big brim. Jesus Christ. Like, Dustin's a small guy, but that brim is huge compared to his hand. That's the tip, and that's all the way up the midway of his forearm. Got another one. Out here on these sticks right here.